Hi, I'm Magnus Andersson from the Solutions and Engineering team. In this demo, I'll show you how Nutanix Era can be integrated with ServiceNow, and more specifically, we'll look at how to order and provision a MariaDB database with its associated virtual machine. This is a typical day one operation. Let's log into my ServiceNow instance. In the Service Catalog section, I'll select Nutanix Era. Of the three catalog items available, I'll select MariaDB provisioning. Now just provide the same information as you do when using the standard Era UI, including information about the virtual machine, software profile, compute profile, network profile, SSH connection information, the database, and finally the time machine as well. When done, click Order and sit back while the provisioning takes place. The ServiceNow provisioning workflow will send email notifications to the end user, and even before the creation of the requested VM and DB begins, you'll receive an email with the following information: DB type, DB name, DB server name, time machine name, when the request was created, and by whom. In the Nutanix Era UI, we can monitor the provisioning process, since both UI-triggered operations as well as API-triggered operations are displayed. First, we have the virtual machine and database creation, then the register database operation, and finally, both of them are completed. In the ServiceNow log console, we can follow the progress as well. Every minute, the provisioning workflow checks the operation status via the Era API and creates a log entry. As long as the Era replies with status 1, the ServiceNow provisioning workflow continues the monitoring process. What we want to see is status code 5, which means that the provisioning was successful. The end user will receive an email notification when the provisioning is completed. And in addition to the already received information, this email will also include the virtual machine IP address, so the end user knows how to connect to the VM. Going back to the Era UI, we can see that the database server is displayed at the bottom. Clicking the name takes us to its information page where additional information is displayed. Click the DB name, in this case DB_MariaDB_01. Takes us to the DB section where you will find a summary, information about the profiles being used, information about the DB server, and also time machine information. Go to the time machine section by clicking the time machine name. Here we can verify our configuration, which includes the silver SLA and a schedule of 4 snapshots a day, log catch-up every 120 minutes, weekly snapshots on Wednesdays, and monthly snapshots on the 20th. Backups start at 8 minutes past 10 a.m. Central European Time. I did provide 8 minutes past 4 a.m. in the ServiceNow order form, but the time is translated into your local time. Logging into Nutanix Prism UI, we can see that our newly deployed MariaDB VM is present and got the IP address provided in the notification email. Start the VM console to log in, then start MySQL as user root to verify we have some databases available. You can of course also log in via SSH and perform the same actions. This concludes the Era via ServiceNow demo. Thanks for watching.